Number 1. Nikon D7500 DSLR Camera. The Nikon D7500 is the very definition of what a top-tier DSLR should be. Imagine holding a camera that combines the prowess of its award-winning sibling, the D7500, with its own unique flair. This beauty boasts a 20-megapixel CMOS sensor that captures every detail with stunning clarity, while its expansive ISO range ensures you're ready for any lighting challenge that comes your way. Its 3.2-inch tilting LCD screen isn't just large, it's a marvel of modern tech with a touch interface that makes navigating menus a breeze. With 51 autofocus points and 15 cross-type sensors, this camera locks onto your subject with precision, making it ideal for everything from fast action shots to serene landscapes. But the magic doesn't just stop there. The D7500 offers 4K Ultra HD and Full HD video recording, bringing your cinematic visions to life with impeccable stereo sound and dynamic control. Whether you're snapping an action-packed moment, filming a time-lapse masterpiece, or capturing a portrait with stunning bokeh, the D7500 is the perfect companion for photographers of all levels. In a world brimming with endless possibilities, this camera enables you to capture all the beauty and emotion it has to offer. From its ergonomic design to its exceptional image quality, the Nikon D7500